What's up guys, Manuela, Vincent back with another video, and on today's video I'm going to share with you another system where you can actually join for free and earn an immediate $5 just from signing up into the system, okay? But before we get into that video, guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Basically, you're going to find on my channel I talk a lot about how you can make money from home online. A lot of these, are minimal startups. Some are free ways. I do provide a lot of, motivation, inspirational videos as well. If any of that resonates with you, go ahead and do me a favor, guys. Hit that subscribe button down below. Also, be sure to hit that notification bell. That way you're notified when I do drop another video, okay? So as I said in the beginning of the video, I'm going to walk you through this new system that I'm part of, show you how you can get your immediate $5 just for signing up with that, show you some back office proof, probably show you a little bit with the Facebook group if I can actually pull that up, and go from there. All right, guys. So as always, I always drop the link to any of my offers in the description of the video. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. So this is basically called the Guarantee Downline Club. Okay, and this is, you can actually read this. This is basically will walk you through what it's all about. I kind of just wanted to highlight what it is. It is the only club that will immediately pay you money for signing up for free. Okay, guys, as you know, a lot of my systems that I do have, they do have some startup fees because these are business opportunities. For this though, guys, you don't have to pay anything to immediately get that $5. Okay, so that's just a plus. It's the only club that does that. These guys that are creators of the system are giving you money because they believe in this product and they want people to earn money, right? They want you to see the power of online business opportunities, that they're not all scams, and that you're going to basically take this and share it with others. Okay, everything that I market to you guys is always an affiliate program because I love the power of affiliate marketing, because you don't have to set up anything for yourself, right? These guys are smart. Everything that I get involved in, it's referred to me from people who are really doing well in this market. Okay, so that's why I like sharing these opportunities for you, because I know people are on different budgets, especially now what's going on. But if you're wanting to just get an immediate $5 and then just kind of share this, guys, it's very simple, and this system has those tools in the back office. We're in a pre-launch stage right now. So this hasn't been given to the mass market yet because they're trying to set people that are getting in now up to be successful. So you can kind of go in here and read this. I'm not going to read all this to you guys. There's a video to watch. You want to read that. But basically, when you get there, if you want to make money online, you need to have a strong platform that will guarantee that you will make money. The Guarantee Downline Club was designed to make money for everyone, even when they join for free, guys. Okay. And so that's why I wanted to bring this out here for you guys. And I'm going to show you how I got the $5. I've gotten one referral so far. This is something I just wanted to get on YouTube and market because I love my platform for YouTube. I've marketed this basically to my current list. I've been marketing this on social media. But the quicker you can get in, I'm going to show you why you want to get in soon, because it's kind of like if you know about downlines, the further you are at the top, the more profitable you're going to be, especially when this thing launches, launches completely. Okay. So, again, you can read all this. I'm not going to read all that to you, but it just tells you the 3 steps to get started. You'll sign up. It's 100% free to join. There's no paid memberships. You just share it with your friends, family, if you want to. But again, use other means, guys. Like I said, I use my social media. I use YouTube, I use, IG, Facebook, my lists. You can actually use, and they'll show you that in the system too. If you're comfortable with solo ads, that's another good platform to use. That way you're building your list in this system, so you're gaining leads. And again, I love to share that too, because anything that you're gaining leads, you can market any opportunity to. So take some value from that. You always want to join a platform where those leads are yours, and you will get them in here. They're now yours. You own them. Okay, this is a free system. You're not paying monthly fees for it. Look for those things. Those are the things I like to market to you guys. I don't want to share anything that's not proven and proven good results. Okay, then you'll start earning even more once you keep sharing, and then once you position yourself, as I'm going to show you in a second. you're going to be able to make money, as the owners have explained to us. And there are webinars with this as well that I've been getting on. Once this is fully launched, basically you're lining yourself in a good position so that your downline, you know, you're growing your downline, and then you're going to basically be getting pass ups, which are good. You're going to be getting money for not even hardly marketing it. And that's where you want to set yourself up for success. Okay. So stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and just dive right in now. Again, I'll drop the link in the description. You'll join for free. You'll get the $5. I'm going to show you my back office now. So you'll get your login and you'll just go ahead and log right in. Okay. As you can see me, Manuela here. These are everyone that's joined in after me. And that's important to note. You want to align yourself to basically, when people join, you're going to make money off of their efforts. And that's what's important about this. So you want to be up high enough in the chain to be able to get some nice income coming in. And this again is a pre-launch. This is not launched officially to the masses. They're still building things out in it, and that's why, you know, it's taking a little bit of time, but they're giving us instant access. So that's why I'm referring you guys. You can refer your friends and get everybody you can think of in here. So as I said, there's no fee to initially join in here. You can still earn, just keep referring, but you want it to get, I'm going to suggest this. You don't have to, but in order to reap the rewards, okay, you want to set yourself up with the MPI, which is the money plug-in. And that's going to make you basically 10x your income. And who doesn't want that? So in order to get that, it's $20, okay, that you pay, and then that's activated. And that way you're basically able to, you know, get some more money once it's really, really hitting hard. Also, when you get people to join the MPI, which is the $20, your referrals, basically you'll earn like $1.50, I believe it is, or $1. So when you refer people, guys, you get 50 cents. Then when you get those referrals to get into the MPI, your personal referrals, you'll get like $1. I think it's like $1, $1.50. And then it's like a trickle effect. When they get people on, you'll also earn from that as well. Okay. So you want to position yourself right, guys. There's also an area down here where you can put your links for these other parts of the system. So free lead system. If you're part of that, you can actually put that information in here as well. If you're not, click here so you can learn more about that, okay? Because these are the funnels that I'm part of. These are the systems I'm part of as well. So you're marketing in several different ways, which is also important when you get into a system. Okay, what else I want to share with you guys? I didn't want to make this too long, but there's some resources back here. So if you're not comfortable with email marketing, there's some swipes here that I've taken advantage of. You can actually use these swipes. They're built out. You just put your own referral link in there when you're marketing these. So it talks about what it is, $5 when you sign up immediately. You know, get paid in 7 different ways, get paid on 3 levels. This does all the explaining for you know, this opportunity. There is also an option for you to actually get a capture page, guys. I created my own capture page, but there's another great capture page that actually explains this more in detail. It actually is a video. When you come in, you can actually request that through the owners, and they'll actually set you up with that as well. But for now, I went ahead and created my own capture page. You'll see that when you go and click the link below and get started, right? So there's nothing, again, to pay to get started. If you want to increase your income capabilities, that's when you want the money plug-in. You'd click this money plug-in, guys, watch the video, and it tells you what that's all about. You know, you can double your advertising results, plus you can make 5, 10, 20x. Or even more. And that's kind of why I decided to go ahead and get that. And yeah, so you just would read this and get started if that's what you want to do. Who doesn't want more money? I want more money. So that's why I took advantage of that. So your URLs are all back here. These are my URLs for these systems because I'm part of them already. But like I said, when you set up under your dashboard, you go to your dashboard. And of course, this is your link. You'd copy your link. Again, you don't want to market that ugly link looking like that. If you're familiar with, domain names, get yourself a domain name, or use a bit.ly link, anything to mask that. Okay. So you want that, and basically that's pretty much it, guys. If they have a great support system. They have a number here you can call. It tells you what their hours are. This is where you track everything. All right, guys. So that's pretty much all I wanted to say. This is where, like I mentioned about the solo ads, you'd go here to basically get yourself a solo ad vendor to market this. Basically, you give them your link. They put it in an email for you. You can use the emails that they had, like I just showed you in the resources, to give that to the vendor, or the vendor, you can have them create their own swipe and put your link in there. They're able to do that as well, and they're able to actually give you a capture page as well. So they have a blog. Again, support is here. You can actually create a ticket back here if you have any issues with it. But it's a free system, guys. Free is free, and you'll get $5. Every time you refer someone is 50 cents. Okay, so if that makes sense to you guys, drop me a like. I hope I provided some value with this. This is another free system. Get your $5. Keep referring it, guys. Again, I'm in affiliate marketing, so I love these platforms. I don't have to build anything out. I'm referring other people's products. And this is a great way to build your leads, okay? So I hope that, you understood this. If not, comment below, send me an email. All my social links are on my YouTube channel. In the description, actually, you can go and find all my direct channels. And everything is pretty self-explanatory. Make sure you do watch this video because it talks about the program. Actually, there is one more thing I promised I would show you guys. This is the Facebook group. Let's see. I hope it's under Guaranteed. Let's see. Guaranteed Downline Club. I believe that's what and I think you only can join this, guys, if you become a member. So let's see. I think it's in here. You can only join this group if you, yep, here we go. You only can request to join this. I believe if you get on a webinar, if you're already part of this, because this is kind of like a secret group, guys. I just wanted to share some insights with you here. There's not a whole lot here, but there are webinars. So this is where you would come once you join for free and get in. You just come here and request to be joining this group, and you can actually get on the webinars. This is where they display when they're going to have webinars. We also get emails. You'll get emails as well. And they're talking about how many members that we're at now. 8,000. You just saw that in my back office. So there was nothing secret about that. As you just saw on my dashboard, we're right now at 8,329 members, right? That's a lot of members, and they want this to grow. They're expecting a lot of growth because of the way they're referring so many people to it. Okay. So, all right, guys, that's all the time that we have for today's video. I hope that I did a good job on explaining what it's all about. Again, you can just go to the presentation when I drop the link, look at it, get your